700 is the natural number following 699 and preceding 701. It is the sum of 4 consecutive primes. It is a Harshad number. 700 is also the year AD, c. 700. The decade beginning in the year 700 BC, c. 700s BC. A television show that aired on the Christian Broadcasting Network. See the 700 Club. 700s. 700, see above. 701 prime number, sum of 3 consecutive primes, Chen prime, Eisenstein prime with no imaginary part. 702 equals 2 times 33 times 13. Pronic number, non-totient, Harshad number. 703 equals 19 times 37. Triangular number, hexagonal number. Smallest number requiring 73/5 powers for wearing representation. Capri car number, area code for Northern Virginia along with 571. A number commonly found in the formula for body mass index. 704 equals 26 times 11. Harshad number, area code for the Charlotte, North Carolina area. 705 equals 3 times 5 times 47. Sphenic number, smallest Lucas pseudo prime. 706 equals 2 times 353. Non-totient. Smith number. 707 equals 7 times 101. Sum of 5 consecutive primes. Palindromic number. 708 equals 22 times 3 times 59,709 as a prime number. It is also a happy number. 710 equals 2 times 5 times 71. Sphenic number, non-totient. 711 equals 32 times 79. Harshad number. Also the phone number of telecommunications relay service, commonly used by the deaf and hard of hearing. 712 equals 23 times 89. Sum of the first 21 primes. Totient sum for first 48 integers. It is the largest known number such that it and its 8th power have no common digits. 713 equals 23 times 31. Main area code for Houston, Texas. 714 equals 2 times 3 times 7 times 17. Sum of 12 consecutive primes. Non-totient. Member of Ruth Aaron pair. The smallest number that uses the same digits in bases 2 and 5. Area code for Orange County, California. 714 is the number of career home runs hit by Babe Ruth, a record that stood from his last home run on May 25, 1935 until being broken by Hank Aaron on April 8, 1974. Flight 714 to Sydney is a Tintin graphic novel. 715 equals 5 times 11 times 13. Sphenic number, pentagonal number, pentatope number, Harshad number, member of Ruth Aaron pair. 716 equals 22 times 179,717 equals 3 times 239. Palindromic number. 718 equals 2 times 359. Area code for Brooklyn, NY. 719 prime number, factorial prime, Sophie Germain prime, safe prime. Sum of 7 consecutive primes, Chen prime, Eisenstein prime with no imaginary part. 720 equals 24 times 32 times 5. 6 factorial, highly composite number, Harshad number in every base from binary to decimal, highly totient number, 2 round angles, 5 gross, 241 gonal number. 721 equals 7 times 103, sum of 9 consecutive primes, centered hexagonal number, smallest number that is the difference of 2 positive cubes in 2 ways. 722 equals 2 times 192. Non-totient. G722 is a freely available file format for audio file compression. The files are often named with the extension 722. 723 equals 3 times 241,724 equals 22 times 181. Sum of 4 consecutive primes. Sum of 6 consecutive primes. Non-totient. The number of n-queens problem solutions for n equals 10,725 equals 52 times 29,726 equals 2 times 3 times 112. Pentagonal pyramidal number 727. Prime number. Palindromic prime, lucky prime 728 equals 23 times 7 times 13. Non-totient. Smith number. Cab taxi number 729 equals 36 equals 272. The square of 27, and the cube of 9, and as a consequence of these properties, a perfect totient number. Centered octagonal number. Smith number. The number of times a philosopher's pleasure is greater than a tyrant's pleasure according to Plato in the Republic. The largest 3-digit cube. The largest 3-digit sixth power. 730 equals 2 times 5 times 73. Sphenic number. Non-totient. Harshad number. Happy number 731 equals 17 times 43. Sum of 3 consecutive primes. 732 equals 22 times 3 times 61. Sum of 8 consecutive primes, sum of 10 consecutive primes, Harshad number 733. Prime number, balanced prime, permutable prime, sum of 5 consecutive primes. 734 equals 2 times 367, non-totient. 735 equals 3 times 5 times 72, Harshad number, Zuckerman number. Smallest number such that uses same digits as its distinct prime factors. 736 equals 25 times 23. Centered heptagonal number. Nice-Friedman number. Since 736 equals 7 plus 36, Harshad number 737 equals 11 times 67. Palindromic number. Boeing 737 jet airliner. 738 equals 2 times 32 times 41. Harshad number. Designation for a Boeing 737-800 jet airliner. 739. Prime number. Strictly non-palindromic number. Lucky prime. Happy number. 740 equals 22 times 5 times 37. Non-totient. 741 equals 3 times 13 times 19. Sphenic number. Triangular number. 742 equals 2 times 7 times 53. Sphenic number. Decagonal number. It is the smallest number that is one more than triple its reverse. 743. Prime number. Sophie Germain prime, Chen prime, Eisenstein prime with no imaginary parts. 744 equals 23 times 3 times 31. Sum of 4 consecutive primes. It is the coefficient of the first-degree term of the expansion of Klein's J invariant. Furthermore, 744 equals 3 times 248, where 248 is the dimension of the Lie algebra E8. 745 equals 5 times 149,746 equals 2 times 373. Non-totient. 746 equals 17 plus 24 plus 36,747 equals 32 times 83. Palindromic number. Model number of the Boeing 747. Perhaps the most famous Boeing aircraft. 748 equals 22 times 11 times 17. Non-totient. Happy number. Primitive abundant number. 749 equals 7 times 107. Sum of 3 consecutive primes. 750 equals 2 times 3 times 53. Enneagonal number. 751 prime number, Chen prime 752 equals 24 times 47, non-totient 753 equals 3 times 251,754 equals 2 times 13 times 29, sphenic number, non-totient. Totient sum for first 49 integers 755 equals 5 times 151. In 1976, Major League Baseball player Hank Aaron ended his career with a Major League record 755 home runs. 756 equals 22 times 33 times 7, sum of 6 consecutive primes, pronic number, Harshad number 757 prime number, palindromic prime, sum of 7 consecutive primes, happy number. The 757 is a local nickname for the Hampton Roads area in the U.S. state of Virginia, derived from the telephone area code that covers almost all of the metropolitan area. 758 equals 2 times 379, non-totient 759 equals 3 times 11 times 23, sphenic number, sum of 5 consecutive primes 760 equals 23 times 5 times 19. Centered triangular number 761 prime number, Sophie Germain prime, Chen prime, Eisenstein prime with no imaginary part. Centered square number 762 equals 2 times 3 times 127, sphenic number, sum of 4 consecutive primes, non-totient, Smith number. See also 6 nines in pi. 763 equals 7 times 109, sum of 9 consecutive primes. 764 equals 22 times 191. Telephone number 765 equals 32 times 5 times 17, a Japanese wordplay for Namco. 766 equals 2 times 383. Centered pentagonal number, non-totient, sum of 12 consecutive primes, happy number 767 equals 13 times 59, Thabit number. Palindromic number 768 equals 28 times 3, sum of 8 consecutive primes. 769 prime number, Chen prime, Lucky prime, Proth prime. 770 equals 2 times 5 times 7 times 11. Non-totient, Harshad number, famous room party in New Orleans hotel room. 770, giving the name to a well-known science fiction fanzine called File 770, holds special importance in the Chabad Lubavitch Hasidic movement. 771 equals 3 times 257, sum of 3 consecutive primes in arithmetic progression. Since 771 is the product of the distinct Fermat primes 3 and 257, a regular polygon with 771 sides can be constructed using compass and straight edge, and can be written in terms of square roots. 772 equals 22 times 193,773 prime number, Eisenstein prime with no imaginary part. Tetradachi number 774 equals 2 times 32 times 43, non-totient. Totient sum for first 50 integers, Harshad number 775 equals 52 times 31, member of the Mian-Chowla sequence. Happy number 776 equals 23 times 97,777 equals 3 times 7 times 37. Sphenic number, Harshad number, palindromic number, 3333 in Senri counting. The numbers chapter 3 and 7 are considered both perfect numbers under Hebrew tradition. 777 is also found in the title of the book 777 and other Kabbalistic writings of Aleister Crowley. 778 equals 2 times 389, non-totient. Smith number 779 equals 19 times 41. Highly cototient number 780 equals 22 times 3 times 5 times 13. Sum of 4 consecutive primes in a quadruplet. Sum of 10 consecutive primes. Triangular number. Hexagonal number. Harshad number. 780 and 990 are the fourth smallest pair of triangular numbers whose sum and difference are also triangular. 781 equals 11 times 71. Sum of powers of 5. Reap digit in base 5. Merton's function equals 0. 782 equals 2 times 17 times 23. Sphenic number. Non-totient. Pentagonal number. Harshad number. Also, 782. Gear used by U.S. Marines. 783 equals 33 times 29,784 equals 24 times 72 equals 282 equals the sum of the cubes of the first 7 integers. Happy number. 785 equals 5 times 157. Merton's function equals 0. 786 equals 2 times 3 times 131. Sphenic number. See also its use in Muslim numerological symbolism. 787 prime number. Sum of 5 consecutive primes. Chen prime. Lucky prime. Palindromic prime.